This exercise teaches you how to draw the table finished part. You can work either from a derived part or simply by copying and pasting an existing part. How to derive a part from existing part document. You can open the table row part, Tools tab, Derivations, and Derived part. The derived part concept keeps the link with the original part. If the original part is modified, the derived part change also. Derived part. Select the destination folder to save the derived part. You can create a new folder if you want by clicking on the title name here and folder, or select the existing folder like this and confirm. And TopSolid creates here the derived part in your project tree. Here TopSolid suggests you here the dialog box to keep some point, axes, all entities to derive, functions, and so on. And confirm. The second way to draw the finished part, you can also copy and paste the document from the original document here. You can right click on it, copy, and select the destination folder, right click, and paste. And here you have the copy. This copy is independent, no link anymore with the original part. In comparison with derived part keep the link with the original part, and the copy is independent. For this exercise, you have two ways. You can use copy or derived part. In this exercise, we are going to continue with the copy document. You can close the derived part. And close also the original document. Here for this copy, we are going to change the properties. You can right click on the document, properties, edit, and change the name, description, or part number. In entities, change here the transparency and the color, and go expand the shape folder, select attributes, select the color, and transparency 0. On the previous exercise, you see how to start a new sketch on the graphic area. You can also select the plane in the entities tree. You can select which plane you want to use, XZ for instance. Right click on it and start to sketch. Here create a simple line. Confirm. To add a constraint, you can select dynamically here the coincidence, or also use coincidence constraint. And then for the last constraint, add the dimension from here to this edge and give a value 3 millimeters. And confirm the sketch. And from the Shape tab, expand the drop-down list, use Trim by Profile command, uncheck Extend Profiles, and just make sure the side to remove, this one or this side. Confirm. For the next sketch, you can also right-click on the existing sketch and use Sketch command. And this way, TopSolid use the same plane. That means here, for this example, XZ plane. Write a simple line, add the coincidence, dragging here the point extremity, and add the constraint. You can also start the command, right click on the graphic area and use constraint. From this edge and this 18 millimeters. Confirm the sketch, and once again on the Shape tab, Trim by Profile. Here make sure the side to remove and confirm. From the Shape tab, you start a joining command and create a spot face hole. The frame, select the face and select TopSolid, hook the center of this arc and change the values. 34 millimeters for the diameter. Step 2. Hole, truth, and we are going to add the tolerance and plus special input tolerance. This is standard hole H7. And confirm. We can also start the joining command directly here from the face and select the face, right click, joining command, simple hole 10H7 for the diameter, trough, and confirm. You can hide the sketches and save.